Welcome to the Professor English podcast, where we don't just talk about English, we practice English. My name is Ryan, and I am your host. Today, we are going to practice using the phrasal verb get rid of, which means eliminate something bad, eliminate something undesirable, something you can't use or you don't want. Eliminate it. As usual, instead of giving you long explanations, let's just jump right in and practice. If you're not sure how to use it now, don't worry. After we practice using it together, you'll be much more comfortable with this phrase. Before we begin, I just want to remind you that if you prefer some visual help with this exercise, you can always see the video version on my YouTube channel, Professor English ESL Class. Now, let's dive in and start practicing English. Here is a sentence. John still works at that company. John still works at that company. At that company. At that. John still works at that company. Works at that. John still works at that company. How would you make a basic yes/no question with that sentence? Does he? Does he? Does he still work? Does he still work at that company? How would you answer no? No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't still work at that. No, he doesn't still work at that. No, he doesn't still work at that company. Let's make a what happened to John question. What happened? What happened to him? What happened to him? What happened to him? Here is the answer. They fired him. They fired him. Okay, now we could make that stronger by using get rid of. Because get rid of means eliminate something bad, something very undesirable, something you don't want, something you can't use. So we could say, instead of they fired him, we could say they got rid of him, which makes him sound like a problem. They got rid of him. They didn't want him. He was no good. They got rid of him. They got rid of him. They got rid of him. Let's make a why get rid of question. Why? Why did they? Why did they? Why did they get rid of him? Why did they get rid of him? Here is the reason. He was lazy. They got rid of him. They got rid of him. They got rid of him because he was lazy. Because he was lazy. Because he was. Because he was lazy. They got rid of him because he was lazy. All right, fantastic job. Let's try another example. Lisa still has her old computer. She still has her old computer. She still has her old computer. Let's make a basic yes/no question with that sentence. Does she? Does she still have? Does she still have her old computer? How would you answer no to that question? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't still have. No, she doesn't still have her old computer. Let's make a what happened to old computer question. What happened? What happened to her old computer? What happened to her? What happened to her old computer? What happened to her old computer? What happened to her old computer? Let's say she put it in the garbage. She put it in the garbage. She put it in, put it in, put it in. She put it in the garbage. 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 Put it in. Put it in. Okay, that's already strong, because if you put something in the garbage, it implies it's no good and you can't use it for anything. But if you really want to emphasize that the computer is no good, nobody can use it, or it's not desired, it's not wanted, then you can say, she got rid of it. She got rid of the old computer. She got rid of it. She got rid of her old computer. She got rid of her old computer. She got rid of her old computer. Let's make a why question. Why get rid? Why did she? Why did she get rid of it? Why did she get rid of it? Why did she get rid of it? Here is the reason: it wasn't functioning properly. She got rid of it because it wasn't functioning properly. Because it was not. Because it wasn't. She got rid of it because it wasn't. She got rid of it because it wasn't functioning properly. All right, you're doing a super duper job. Let's try another example. But before we do, I just want to remind you that if you find these exercises helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, Professor English ESL Class, so that you won't miss the next lesson. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please take a moment to press the like button. It helps my channel so much and lets me know that you want to see more fluency and listening comprehension exercises just like this one. Now let's keep practicing English. Mark still has his favorite shirt. Mark still has his favorite shirt. Let's make a yes/no question, a basic question with that sentence. Does he? Does he? Does he still have? Does he still have his favorite shirt? Does he still have his favorite shirt? How would you answer no to that question? No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't still have. No, he doesn't still have his favorite shirt. Let's make a what happened to shirt question. What happened? What happened to his favorite shirt? What happened to his favorite shirt? Okay, let's say he put it in the garbage. He put it in the garbage. Okay, we can say that. That's very strong. But we can also use get rid of, which it doesn't mean he put it in the garbage. It just means it's not useful to him. So somehow he eliminated it. Maybe it's in the garbage. Maybe he gave it to somebody else. We don't really know. When you say get rid of, you don't really know what the person did with it. You just know they didn't want it. And so they eliminated it in some way. So let's say he got rid of his favorite shirt. He got rid of his favorite shirt. How would you make a why question with that sentence? Why? Why did he? Why did he? Why did he? Why did he get rid of? 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 Why did he get rid of it? Why did he get rid of his favorite shirt? Why did he get rid of it? Here is the reason. It had too many holes. He got rid of his favorite shirt because it had too many holes. He got rid of it because it had too many holes. He got rid of it because it had too many holes. All right, you're doing a fantastic job. Let's try another example. Mary went to the doctor. Let's make a what problem question. What her problem? What her problem? What was her problem? What was her problem? What was her problem? Here is the problem. She had been coughing for 2 weeks. She had been coughing for 2 weeks. So she went to the doctor because she had been coughing for 2 weeks. Let's make a question, which is what Mary tell doctor question. How would you make a What Mary tell doctor? Question. What did Mary tell? What did Mary tell the doctor? What did Mary tell the doctor? She told the doctor she couldn't stop coughing. She told the doctor she couldn't stop coughing. Another way that you can say this is keep from plus ing. Keep from coughing. She couldn't keep from coughing. I have an entire video about keep from plus ing. So if you're interested in learning more about that and practicing it, just check the description below for the link. Keep from plus ing means you can't stop doing it. You keep doing it. You can't stop it. So she can't keep from coughing means she can't stop coughing. She told the doctor she couldn't keep from coughing. She told the doctor she couldn't keep from coughing. We can make the coughing situation sound extra annoying, extra bad, by using get rid of her cough. She couldn't get rid of her cough. She can't eliminate it. It's bothering her quite a bit. It's something that she doesn't like. She can't get rid of her cough. She can't get rid of her cough. She told the doctor she couldn't get rid of her cough. She told the doctor she couldn't get rid of her cough. She told the doctor she couldn't get rid of her cough. She told the doctor she couldn't get rid of her cough. All right, you did an amazing job today, and you learned some fantastic English. Congratulations! I knew you could do it. Remember, practice makes perfect, so you should repeat this exercise several times, not just so that you can remember how to use the phrasal verb get rid of, but also to improve your listening and your speaking skills. It's been really fun practicing English with you today, and I hope to see you again soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next video with more interesting words and phrases.